A Russian business official attending the China Fisheries and Seafood Expo 2023 has highlighted the bright prospect for trade in fisheries, expecting to see closer cooperation with their Chinese counterparts. The three-day expo, which concluded on Sunday in Fuzhou City, East China's Fujian province, attracted over 500 enterprises from 16 countries and regions, including China, Russia, Indonesia, South Korea, and Ecuador.
This is the first time we take part in this exhibition. We are very glad to introduce to Chinese our best unique products.
Romanova said that a number of enterprises from Sakhalin took part in this year's expo, hoping to establish long-term cooperation with Chinese enterprises.
The market in China is very different and can offer to all customers very good products. And Russia and China have good purposes to cooperation. We have good purposes in fisheries between Russia and China. And our Sakhalin region has a lot of partners in China. We export to China for about 40% of export.
According to the Russian Federal Fisheries Agency, Russia exported 271,000 tons of marine products to China in the first quarter of this year, more than twice that of the same period last year.